Want faster access to your favorite websites? The Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome places your saved sites directly beneath the address bar, making them available with a single click. If you'd rather keep Chrome looking clean and uncluttered, you can hide it just as easily. In this video, I'll show you several ways to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. Let's begin. Start by opening Google Chrome. One option is to manage the Bookmarks bar through Chrome's settings. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. Next, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, use the search box near the top and type Bookmarks bar. Chrome will immediately take you to the relevant setting. Simply enable or disable. Show Bookmarks bar depending on whether you want it visible. The change happens instantly, so you'll see the result right away. If you regularly switch between having the bar visible and hidden, there's a much quicker solution. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus B on Windows or Command plus Shift plus B on Mac. This keyboard shortcut instantly toggles the Bookmarks bar without opening any menus. It's by far the fastest method and the one many longtime Chrome users rely on. There's also a convenient right-click method. Just right-click anywhere on the Bookmarks bar itself or in the area directly below the address bar and select Show Bookmarks bar from the menu. Clicking it will immediately disable the bar. There's also a fourth method available directly from Chrome's menu. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Bookmarks and Lists. From there, click Show Bookmarks bar to enable it or click it again to hide it. This method is useful if you prefer navigating through menus and want to access the setting without opening Chrome's full settings page. One important thing, it seems it's impossible to hide the Bookmarks bar on the new tab. As you can see, even if I turn it off, it's there and there is nothing I can do to disable it. You've successfully learned how to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, browser tips, productivity guides, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.